Hey, what is up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and you find me here in a familiar setting, but with rather a large, rather weighty box. It's all sealed up in plastic, and I'm extremely excited to unbox this. It's an Acer projector, so let's cut the plastic open now, get inside, see what's in the box, and then spend a bit of time exploring a little bit of media, a little bit of content. When it comes to enjoying movies and content, this is what it's all about. I'm sitting here in a proper movie theatre surround, and I've got a large display up ahead, or at least the display being created by the Acer PD1320W LED projector. You see, that's around 300 inches in front of me, and if you had to have a plasma or LED TV, the cost would be unheard of. But here, for relatively little, with this LED projector, I'm getting crisp, sharp images thrown straight to the display and done through an array of content and media. Here I'm using an external hard drive, but you can use a wireless display and throw it straight from your smart device. And no matter what area or screen size you want to throw it at, you can take this, or you can flip across now to where I'm testing it in a big hall with a white open wall, and that's 600 plus inches of screen size. And as you can see, the LED lamp makes it crisp and clear, far better than those old conventional lamps on older projectors. You also have over 30,000 hours of screen life here which will display. That's 10 years of using it continuously, 8 hours a day. You couple this with its array of ports, your inputs such as USB, HDMI, Co-Axial, Bluetooth, the wireless projection which you can take from a smart device, and its compact easeability. And this is the perfect tool to move around for media and content, enjoying movies, presentation, and just about anything you can imagine. Some products impress me and impress those that I show them to, but this really has everyone blown away. This is what Acer are producing next at Acer. This is an awesome, awesome LED projector. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.